news in this late night chat. Both of us knowing what a line that. Funny how we talk like we're fine, but your name still lives in my rhyme.